Every morning, we wake under a familiar warmth, the sun, our silent guardian. For billions of years, it has burned with steady grace, sustaining every heartbeat on Earth.
But what if, tomorrow, this light vanished forever? What if the sun exploded? It would begin quietly, a storm deep within the solar heart. Scientists at NASA might see flickers, unstable radiation patterns, warnings to, within hours, the sun's core would collapse, a chain reaction beyond human control. A blinding light would pierce through space, brighter than 1,000,000 full moons. From Earth, day would turn into an unbearable blaze. People would look up, confused, the sky burning gold and white. Birds would flee, shadows would vanish, the air itself would shimmer. Power grids would fail, satellites would melt, and silence would fall on technology. News anchors would tremble, warning, the sun is dying. Within minutes, Earth's upper atmosphere would ignite in waves of energy. Satellites, debris, and memories, all burning above a dying planet. Astronauts would see their final sunrise, one that never sets again. The magnetic shield around our planet would scream under the pressure. Auroras would paint the entire world, even above the oceans. Communication would vanish. Humanity, alone beneath a dying sky. Cities would erupt in chaos. Some would pray, others would record history with their phones. Governments would broadcast their last messages, find shelter, stay underground. Families would gather in bunkers, clinging to one another as the heat intensified. The moon, once calm, would glow red under the sun's fury. Earth's oceans would begin to boil, the sky thick with steam and ash. Forests would catch fire, rivers would evaporate, mountains would glow in the haze. Animals would run, confused and afraid. There's nowhere left to hide. Temperatures would rise faster than imagination allows. For the first time, humanity would see what true power means. And then, the final sunset. Without the sun's balance, chaos would rule. Gravity itself would tremble. The Earth's core would shift, the magnetic field collapsing into silence. Skyscrapers would bend, metal melting under impossible heat. And just as suddenly, the sun's outer layers would burst. A white-hot explosion racing across the solar system. A shockwave so vast, it could erase the story of humanity in seconds. The moon would fracture, drifting into eternal dust. And then, there would be nothing but silence. The Earth would float, frozen, lifeless, drifting through endless night. Where the sun once stood, only a glowing cloud of dust remains. No sunrise, no warmth, only cold eternity. Cities, now monuments of ice, whisper stories of what once was. Days after the blast, Earth becomes a silent rock in space. Oceans turn to glass, mountains buried under frozen storms. Stars shimmer faintly, indifferent to our loss. And in that silence, one truth remains: nothing lasts forever. This is what would happen if the sun exploded tomorrow.